Okay, once you've added the property details to, you need to then add a map. Now to add a map, you need to click on the G, which is build a map. So once it's loaded, you then need to set a center point. So it's 85 Harborne Street, Wembley. Always make sure you put a WA in there so that it knows it's in Australia. Then you need to press set center, so to bring up the map of Australia. Now we need to zoom it in to about 17. So then it's going to show you that it's Harborne Street. Now we need to add a marker, so you just need to click on the add a marker. Then you just need to add in the 85 Harborne Street, Wembley, WA again, just so it adds a point. Then you press mark point, and so it's now added a little pointer onto where the property is on the street. And then you just need to scroll down and press insert map, and it's going to add a little map ID code. So just make sure that it looks okay, and that is how you add a map. Hello and welcome to another webinar recording from Real Estate Connected. Today I'm going to show you how to add a property to the website, which is deanbradley.com.au. So first things first, make sure you've got all the photos that you're going to need downloaded and saved in the folder, and also make sure your text and information for the listing is ready to go. So you need to log into deanbradley.com.au/WP admin and put the username and password in and log in. Okay, now you need to add a new post. So just going to click on add a new post. Now we're going to just add a new post title, which is Cottage Escape, and we're just going to add in Wembley. Next you need to upload the photos, so we need to click on the add an image and then select the files from the computer. And the property address is 85 Harborne Street. Now we just want to make sure that the images are named correctly. So we're just going to put 85 Harborne Street, Wembley. This is just for the SEO, and so the images can be found if somebody's looking for images in Wembley. Okay, and last one. Okay, now we're just going to open all of them and just let them all load. Okay, so once all the photos have uploaded, we just need to change the sizes of them so that they're the correct size for when we insert them into the post. So we're going to start with the main photo, and you just need to click on show, and then you need to click on edit image, and then we need to scale the image. Now the main image needs to be 920 by 613. Then you just click scale, and then you just click hide, and then go through and do the same for the smaller images. scale, but the smaller images need to be 635 by 423, but this one is a portrait one, so we're just going to go 281 by 423. Okay, so hide that one. It automatically saves the images once you've resized them. Okay, then you just need to click Save All Changes, and there they all are. Now we just want to renumber them so that they're in the correct order. So just going to make that one as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then Save All Changes, and that'll put it in the correct order that you want them shown in the gallery. Okay, just save it all. And now we are going to add the main image into the post. So you just want to click Show on the main photo. So we just want to make it the featured image and make sure it's the full size of 920 by 613, and then click Use as Featured Image. And then we want to save all changes. And we then want to insert it into the post. Now that's going to bring it into the post, but it's going to bring it into the post as the full size image, but we want to show it as the 635 by 423. So to change the size, you then need to click on the HTML tab at the top, and then we're just going to find the size, the width and the height, and we're just going to change that to 635 423, and then click back on visual, and you can see that it is now the correct size. Next we want to is add the gallery. To add the gallery, we are going to add the gallery, and to do that, the best way to do it is to open up a previous post in another tab, just so that you can see the layout of the post and how it's supposed to look like. And then we're just going to take the code, which is this gallery exclude and then a number. So just copy and paste that, and just going to press enter and put that in. Now you'll see that it says gallery exclude. Now we need to exclude the main photo from the gallery. So just to show you what I mean, I'm just going to do a preview in another tab.